Hey guys, this is Brett with Lone Rock Concepts, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use our Overland water pump with adapter kit for the Reliance Aqua-Tainer, the Reliance Jumbo-Tainer, and anything that uses a 3/4 female threaded insert. Take the cap off. You're going to take the hose and you're going to take the adapter kit and thread the hose through the hole in the middle. Once you've taken the hose through the hole, you can then insert your weight on the other side. Screw in the adapter kit, leave a little bit of room for the hose to be hanging out. Insert the hose onto the bottom of the pump and push down until it's snug. And you can insert the metal spigot however you'd like. Be mindful when you push it in that it doesn't need to go that deep, and just lightly twist it in. You'll feel it grab and you're good to go. Flip it upside down, use it as a drinking fountain or whatever position you want. So a couple of things to be mindful of when you're using the pump is when you're inserting and taking out the spigot, just keep your fingers on the plastic component and twist lightly and it'll come right out. And when you're inserting it, you don't need it to go all the way in because it'll keep going. Once you feel it grab and it's snug, you're good to go. Also, when you're removing your pump, you can actually keep pretty much the whole entire thing assembled. So we're gonna remove the adapter kit, plug it into the pump, take out your spigot, and you're good to put it in your storage pouch. And next time you go to install it, it's gonna be much easier. Enjoy the pump, happy camping, and please let us know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns at info@lonerockconcepts.com. Thank you for your business.